When you first look at this Bugatti Chiron Sport, it's easy to focus on the shape, the presence, the aggressive stance, but the real story begins long before the engine starts. The true value of this machine is hidden in its options, because this specific Chiron Sport isn't just highly optioned. It is one of the most meticulously crafted specs Bugatti has ever delivered. And before we talk performance, rarity, price, or why it didn't sell at $3.49 million, we need to start with these details. The most striking feature of this car is its full black exposed carbon fiber body. This is not a wrap, not a paint, not a cosmetic detail. This is structural carbon fiber woven, aligned, and lacquered by Bugatti's craftsmen. Each panel requires perfect symmetry. Any misalignment means starting over. This single option costs $15,000, but the uniqueness doesn't end there. The car also features red exposed carbon fiber on the hood, doors, and fenders. Red carbon is one of Bugatti's most complex finishes, requiring a special resin and hand layering process available only to a select group of technicians in Molsheim. The combination of black carbon and red carbon alone adds nearly $500,000 to the original price of the car. Inside the cabin, the craftsmanship continues. The interior is finished in beluga black leather with Hotspur red stitching, an elegant but aggressive combination that ties perfectly with the exterior. The dashboard spine, center console, door trims, and even the seat backs are finished in real carbon fiber. Bugatti's signature aluminum switchgear, machined from solid blocks of metal, adds another level of detail. Together, the interior upgrades contribute another $40,000 to $60,000 in premium equipment. The wheels are the lightweight course wheels, paired with grenade red brake calipers, creating an aggressive sport-focused look. And behind those wheels sit some of the largest brakes fitted to any production car: 420mm front and 400 meters rear carbon ceramic discs. A full service or replacement of these brakes is valued at nearly $230,000. So before you even start talking about the engine, handling, or what it feels like on the road, you're already looking at nearly $600,000 in optional equipment on a hypercar that already cost over $3 million when new. And as you're seeing these photos on the screen right now, let me walk you through exactly what makes the rest of this machine so special. Under the rear deck sits the beating heart of the Chiron Sport, an 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 engine producing 1,479 horsepower. These numbers belong more to science fiction than reality. The car rockets from 0 to 60 in just 2.3 seconds, and even though it's electronically limited, its true potential reaches well beyond 260 miles per hour. To keep this engine cool at those speeds, Bugatti uses 10 radiators, each one engineered like a piece of aerospace equipment. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts faster than a human can think, and the Haldex all-wheel drive system gives this machine stability at speeds where most cars would become unstable or even airborne. Inside, the experience is a mix of luxury and pure mechanical precision. The flat-bottom steering wheel blends leather, carbon, and exposed aluminum. Behind it sits a 300 mm analog speedometer, the kind of detail you only find in a Bugatti, paired with digital displays that deliver everything the driver needs. Every part of the interior, every stitch, every surface exists with purpose. But what truly elevates this Chiron Sport above almost every other example on the market is its condition. This car has only 451 miles. It's essentially brand new. One owner. Clean Carfax. Clean title. No stories, no surprises, no excuses. For a collector, these qualities alone add a significant premium. So when you see this 2019 Bugatti Chiron Sport climb to $3.49 million and still not sell, remember this: the car wasn't overpriced. The market simply didn't reach the number that a car of this pedigree truly demands. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a masterpiece of engineering, a rolling sculpture, a rare collectible designed for the few people on Earth who can appreciate what it really represents. And for the right buyer, this Chiron Sport is worth every bit of the multi-million-dollar price tag attached to it.